This is a brand new 2013 Subaru Forester. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, air conditioning, cruise control, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, and a sunroof enables you to fill the cabin with fresh air at the push of a button. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Thank you for considering Lexus of Pembroke Pines for your next new or pre-owned vehicle. If you have any questions, please visit our website, give us a call, or stop by our dealership. We are located at 16150 Pines Boulevard in Pembroke Pines, just 1 mile west of I-75. We look forward to serving you.